Hello my fellow bikers. Today I would like to show you how to diagnose your fuel pump relay on your 2009 through 2014 Yamaha R1. I had this issue, couldn't start my bike. Took me a few days to figure it out, but after a lot of work, finally figured out what the problem is. But if you're having this problem, turn your key and hit the start button, nothing happens. Normally what would happen is the bike would crank. In this case, doesn't crank, doesn't do anything. Now I do want to point out that I do have the fuel tank off while I was diagnosing this, so your bike won't have the blinking gas light. But the problem lies in the fuel pump relay, which is located under your rear seat. So there is a simple solution to figure out if that is what your problem is. What you want to do is install a jumper for these two wires. One right here, it is a blue wire with a white line on it, and one right here, blue wire with a line on it. So what I did is I just installed a little jumper. Give me 1 second, let me put this jumper back in and see if it'll do the trick. Okay, so jumper is now installed. Now I'd like to point out that there are other blue wires in there, but you want to look for the one that's next to this plug release here. So we're going to go back to the start button and see what happens. And now the bike does attempt to start. This is a quick way to diagnose it. Once again, I'm obviously going to have to replace this fuel relay, but now I do know what the actual problem is. I searched the forums and the internet, couldn't find anything about this issue, but this is one way you can figure it out. If your bike is doing this, just try it out, see what happens. Thanks.